Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday and the weather broke and it is just simply marvelous outside. So I decided, what the heck. Had some things I had to do this morning. It is now 10 minutes after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm going to hook up this GoPro right here onto this setup, and it's going to be pointing at that odometer right there. And we're going to start our speed runs. Right now it has the stock 14 tooth sprocket in it. When I get back, I'm going to run 5 runs with that sprocket on there from 0 to 80. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put the 15 tooth sprocket on her. Go back out on the same place and do 5 more runs of 0 to 80. Then I'll come back and put the 13 tooth on and do the same thing. If I've got time, I will do, if I have time and I have a long enough stretch, I will do top end on all 3 sprockets too today. If not, it may have to wait until sometime next week where I can find a location that I can go out and be pegged out on the throttle for long enough to get me up to top speed. But anyhow, that's what today's video is going to be about, guys. We're going to find out just exactly what this will do from 0 to 40, 0 to 60, and 0 to 80 with the stock engine, stock exhaust, stock intake, and the stock sprocket 14 tooth countershaft. So stay tuned. Next thing you're going to see is me blipping down the road. I mean, talk to y'all later.